have been loving this cordless vacuum from LEVOIT, and I want to show you in this video how easy it is to set it up and some of my favorite highlights about this vacuum. This was gifted to me by the brand, but my opinions on it are my own. Here you'll see me taking all the contents out of the box. You've got your user manual. It comes with various accessories as well as a hanging wall mount. To assemble, first you put these two pieces together, then you attach the handle to the top, and next you attach the roller head to the bottom. Let's take an up close look at this vacuum. First, you'll notice this can stand up all on its own, which is such a great feature. It's hard to find cordless vacuums that are also freestanding. Here's where the power button is, and what I like about this is you don't have to hold it down the whole time you're vacuuming. You just hit it one time and the vacuum is up and running. It also has 3 different suction modes, so you just press this button and you can easily rotate through those suction modes. So on the lowest economical suction mode, the vacuum can last up to 50 minutes. And then on the highest suction mode, it can last for 12 minutes. This dust cup is huge. This can fit a lot of dust, dirt, and hair. So you're not gonna have to be dumping it quite as often as you would with a vacuum that had a smaller dust cup. Moving down to the roller head, I want to point out this design. This is a really great anti-tangling design. So if you have people in your home that have long hair, or if you have pets and hair is an issue on your floor, this is the type of design that you're going to want to be looking for in your vacuum if you don't want to always be cutting hair out of your roller head. Here I want to show you how well this works on all the different floor surfaces of my home, and I also love the light on the front of it. It makes dust and dirt a lot easier to see, and also you'll notice how well the roller head swivels. It does great on this transition from the hardwood to my low pile rug. It's doing a great job picking up all the crumbs off of this dining room rug, and then here is my high pile rug, and it does great on that one as well. You'll first want to fully remove the dust cup before you dump out all of the dirt. You hold it over a trash can, press that button, and it should all fall out. If any of it's stuck in the top, you simply remove it and give it a little shake. I also love the attachments that come with this vacuum. This one is great for the top of my floorboards as well as between the cushions on my couch. And this attachment is my favorite for the car. It does a great job getting in there on those car seats and getting all the crumbs and dirt out from the seats. It comes with a rechargeable battery, which you can charge using this charger included, and it comes with a hanging wall mount, so you can easily store it out of the way when you're done using it. As you can see, this vacuum is super user-friendly and very versatile. It can literally work on any surface of your home. It has those super helpful attachments to help you keep your car clean, your couch cushions clean. It is an awesome vacuum for any pet owners or anybody that has long hair in their home because of that anti-tangle roller head design as well. Also, it's very lightweight and it's easy for my kids to even push it around the house, which is super helpful. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly cordless vacuum, highly recommend checking out this one from LEVOIT.